What exactly is a VAE, or Variational Autoencoder? It is a fundamental and critical part of any generative AI that works with heavy, large-scale data, like image, video, or audio generators. Imagine you want to mail a huge, highly detailed painting to your friend, but the envelope is way too small. What do? You fold it up in a clever way into a tiny pocket-sized package. Then, your friend unwraps it, and the picture smooths out perfectly, as if nothing happened. A VAE does exactly this in artificial intelligence. Images and videos are actually massive files packed with millions of pixels. If the AI had to work with them directly during generation, it would be painstakingly slow and completely suffocate under the massive amount of data. This is where the VAE comes in, acting essentially as a brilliant compressor and translator all in one. In the first step, it takes the large, heavy image and translates it into a secret, ultra-compressed language that the AI actually understands. This is what we call the latent space. Once the generative model rapidly creates its masterpiece in this lightweight secret language, the VAE does the other half of the job, turning this code back into a beautiful, sharp, pixel-perfect image or video. Without it, today's most popular image, audio, and video generation models would simply be unusable. Text-based AI models, known as large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT or Gemini, don't use VAEs. If you have a guess why, let me know in the comments. If you liked this quick explanation, subscribe to the channel for more AI tips.